Okay, y'all, I just went to Starbucks and I'm gonna try the new the new jalapeno chicken pocket. And so I have some truffle sauce and I'm gonna try it with some sriracha. So here we go. Let's try it with the truffle sauce first. This how it looks. Yeah. $3 and something for this little piece, for this little thing. So let's try it with the truffle. Tastes good without it, without any sauce. So here it is with the truffle. It's all right. So far, I like it without the sauce. Now let's try it with the sriracha. I like it better with the sriracha.